Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well in your study. Today I am going to start lesson 11, that is growing food farmers story. But before going to explain this chapter, just have a look on the contents that we are going to cover in this chapter. Various stages of farming: preparing the soil, sowing seeds, irrigation, adding fertilizers, harvesting, threshing and winnowing, some primitive agricultural instruments still in use, types of crops, crops based on seasons, and the last one is Indian farmers. So our first topic is various stages of farming. Children, food items are obtained from plants or animals, but can they be eaten as such? No. Most of them cannot be eaten as such. The fact is that they have to be processed before we eat them. Their processing involves a lot of hard work and labor. As you already know that farmers grow a variety of crops for human and animal consumption. Some farmers raise animals while some grow crops. They buy seeds from the market and plant them in soil. A farmer often needs a good knowledge of machines that are used on modern farms. In India, many people who live in villages are farmers and agriculture is their main occupation. So, various stages of farming. In this, the first topic is preparing the soil. The soil is prepared first before seeds are sown. It is made loose by a plow to allow air and water to pass through. A farmer prepares the soil sowing seeds by plowing it. It is also known as tilling. After the soil is plowed, it is leveled. It is done with the help of a harrow. This is an agricultural implement used mostly by attaching it to a tractor. The plow turns and breaks the soil. In large fields, tractors are used to plow the soil. The soil is then leveled with the help of a leveler. This prevents the soil from being eroded by wind and water. Next topic is sowing seeds. After the soil is ready, seeds are sown using a seed drill. But before going to sowing, it is very important to select good quality seeds for sowing. Poor quality seeds do not germinate well and produce less crops. Seeds that are not damaged by insects, pests and diseases must be used by farmers. A seed drill consists of long vertical tubes with a funnel-shaped structure at the top. The seed drill is attached to a plow and seeds are filled in it. As the plow moves in the field, the seeds are sown. Next topic is irrigation. As we already know that crops need water to grow. So irrigation is the process by which enough water is supplied to the growing crops. In India, farmers are dependent on rainfall to water the fields. However, rainfall is irregular. Therefore, farms must be irrigated manually. The process of watering crops is called irrigation. Wells, tube wells, ponds, lakes, rivers, dams and canals are the various sources of irrigation. Sometimes it rains heavily ruining the crops, while on some other occasions there was drought. Hence there was a need to develop a proper irrigation system. Next topic is traditional methods of irrigation. Traditional methods of irrigation involve pulling water from wells and canals and irrigating the fields. Old techniques of pulling water from the well are moat, which uses a pulley to draw water and irrigate the fields. Chain pump, dhekli and rahat. Irrigation in modern times is easier with the construction of dams. Water from dams is carried by canals. Water sprinkler is also used for irrigation. Pipes having rotating nozzles on top are joined to the main pipeline. Water is pumped through the main pipe. A jet of water comes out of the nozzles and gets sprinkled on the crops. Next topic is adding fertilizers. Manures and fertilizers are added to the soil to add nutrients to the crops during their growth. Manures and fertilizers are added to make the soil fertile. Manure is made of plant and animal waste, where fertilizers are made from chemicals. So manure is believed to be better than fertilizers. Pesticides and insecticides are also sprayed on the crops to destroy pests. pests are organisms that destroy crops. Natural insecticides like neem leaves are also used to prevent the damage of seeds by insects. Our next topic is harvesting. The process of gathering ripe crops from fields is known as harvesting. When the crops are ripe and mature, they are ready for harvesting. The grain is separated from the stalk. This is done by threshing. Harvest is the process of gathering mature crops from the fields when ripe. After cutting the crop, grain is separated from the stalk. Machines like combine harvester is used to harvest the crop these days. Earlier, a lot of manual labor was involved in the entire process of harvesting. Traditionally, harvesting or reaping is the cutting of the crop using a scythe, sickle or reaper. Then the grain is separated from the stalk. This is done by threshing. Threshing is the loosening of grain or seeds from the husk and straw. Threshing may be done by beating and grain using a flail on a threshing floor. This is followed by the process of cleaning through winnowing. A crop like wheat is ground in a flour mill to make flour. After that, it is packed in bags and then it is marketed. Our next topic is some primitive agricultural instruments still in use. Some primitive agricultural like plough is used to dig and cultivate the soil to prepare it for sowing seed. Children, as you can see in this picture, many types of primitive agricultural that is still in use. Spade and hoe are used to dig and turn the soil. Harrow is used to break up large lumps in soil. Sickle or scythe are used to cut the crop at the time of harvest. Rake and plank are used to level the land. Plank is pulled by oxen. Our next topic is types of crops. People grow many types of crops. Crops are classified according to the seasons in which they grow, the type of soil they need to grow, and the amount of water required to grow them. Crops grown for food are called the food crops. Cereals like wheat, rice, maize, oats, pulses like beans, grams, pea, oil seeds like mustard, sunflower, and other crops like sugarcane are examples of food crops. Crops grown for commercial purposes are called cash crops. Jute, cotton, rubber, sugarcane, cashew, and most plantation crops are cash crops in India. A plantation is a large farm or estate where crops are grown for sale in distant markets rather than for local consumption. Such crops include cotton, coffee, tobacco, sugarcane, sesame, and various oil seeds and rubber trees. Such crops are called plantation crops. Tea is grown in tea gardens while fruit in orchards. Horticulture deals with growing vegetables, fruits, flowers, and ornamental plants. Ornamental plants means decorative plants, just like gladius, dandelion, etc. Next topic is crops based on seasons. Crops require different climatic conditions to grow and complete their life cycle based on seasons. Crops are classified as Rabi and Kharif. Rabi crops. These are the crops which are sown in the start of winter and harvested in the spring. The Rabi crop is also called the spring harvest or the winter crop. Major Rabi crops are wheat, barley, pea, mustard, and sesame. Kharif crops are usually sown with the beginning of the first rain in July during the southwest monsoon season and are harvested in October. The Kharif crop is also called the autumn harvest or monsoon crop. Major Kharif crops are millets just like bajra and jowar, paddy like rice, paddy means rice, maize, green grams means moong dal, groundnut, red chilies, cotton, soya bean, sugar cane, turmeric and sesame. Our next topic is Indian farmers. Majority of India's population lives in villages. Most of them are farmers. An Indian farmer is very hard working. He takes his plow and his cattle and goes to his field even before it is full daylight. His life is full of difficulties. We find him working on his field sowing, plowing or reaping in biting cold of winter as well as in the hot winds of summer. In spite of his hard labor, he lives a life of extreme poverty. He is born in debt, lives in debt, and dies in debt. His crops are at the mercy of rains. Famines or floods often take away his harvest. There are evidences of suicides by farmers in many states. Here is a report. I am going to tell you about a report just was a case study. India's Human Rights Commission has short reports from their 3 states on a spate of suicides by farmers that have been reported by the local media. Some 800 farmers have reportedly ended their lives in Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Kerala this year. Most of the suicides have been linked to the poverty, debt, a sharp rise in cost and the failure of crops because of pest attacks. Some 2 lakh farmers have committed suicides in India since 1997. Drought, a fall in crop prices and an increase in the cost of cultivation are cited as reason for the farmers' plight. To make a farmer's life happier and healthier, the government today is taking some important steps. In 2008, the government announced a $15 billion waiver of loans for the farmers. Scientific methods of agriculture are being introduced to improve their condition. The Jawahar Rozgar Yojana was launched to improve the condition of life of the rural poor. The institution of Panchayati Raj seeks to give power to the people to work out their own destiny. The central government has promised that the loans of the farmers up to rupees 10,000 would be waived. Good quality seeds, fertilizers and pesticides are being provided to him. Moreover, pump sets and tractors have now become a common sight in rural areas. It is heartening to see that and more improvements are taking place on a regular basis. So children, I hope you all well understood with this chapter. If you have any doubt, any problem, read the book thoroughly and watch the video again and again. So now this time is for some homework. Read the chapter thoroughly and learn difficult words. Learn word wagon. And here are 2 questions. You have to find the answer and write it in your rough copy. Why do we have different seasons of cultivation for wheat and rice? And the next question is, what steps will you take to minimize the wastage of food? So thank you to all children. Stay safe, stay healthy.